Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to set your view type, how to set your lighting, and how to align your view normal to a surface. So let's start with setting the view type. If we go to the View menu and scroll down to Set View Type, you'll notice there are two options. The default option is orthonormal, which is selected currently. And what this view transformation does is it really just doesn't scale the image based on distance. So everything appears to be the same distance away. So if we rotate this around and we look down the axis of the blade, you can see that the tip of the blade and the hub appear to be at the same distance. The benefit of this is it allows you to very easily zoom in and out on objects and operate on your mesh, which is why it's the default. However, we can change that. We can go to View, Set View Type, and change that to Perspective. And in this view, you really get a sense of depth. So the tip of the blade now appears much closer than the hub. And this is great for doing renderings, examining your mesh, etc. So let's go ahead and change that back to orthonormal. The next thing that we're going to talk about is if we go to the View menu, we can go and set our lighting. So by default, the lighting direction is with the viewer, meaning it's perpendicular to your screen. And as we rotate this around the scene, you can see the light kind of follows your screen. We can change that to change the lighting direction type to with scene, and you'll notice this side of the blade is highlighted. As we rotate this around, the back of the blade is dark, and now what we've done is we've fixed the lighting source within the scene. We can change that direction both with the viewer or with the scene by holding down the control key and the left mouse button. We can change the direction of that lighting source. Again, as I rotate this around, the leading edge is highlighted, but the trailing edge is in the dark. And we can reset that by clicking the reset button, and it'll change it back to with viewer. The last thing I want to talk about is aligning normal to a surface. So if we go to View and Align View to Surface, you'll notice as I highlight over this or hover over this, you'll see there is a normal vector, and if I click on that, it will align with that surface that I am clicking on. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below, or feel free to connect with us on Twitter, which we'll link down in the description. Thank you all, and have a pleasant Tuesday.